Hey guys, how's it going? So we're going to get started with this tutorial real quick since I have a limited amount of time to capture your attention. So you're here wondering, what is a virtual reality walkthrough? Well, it's us being able to walk through a building virtually without having it built. And this leads to you knowing exactly what you're going to get out of your project exactly as you do it. So here I have a sample project up, and I'm just going to show you kind of the workflow and how we make this awesome thing happen. So we're going to get started. So the program I use is Revit, as most architects will use, and this is a little plugin here called Enscape. Very, very handy little tool. And as you can see, it just adds a ribbon and I get a lot of options. But let's go ahead and get started. So basically all you do is you select the 3D view you have in the project and you hit start. Simple as that. And then you're going to watch the magic happen. All the back end stuff we have to do, but for you, it's easy to visualize. So um, we're going to get started real quick here. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm going to minimize this window here so you can see kind of what's going on. So as you can see, I've got a little house here, and I'm simply going to walk through it. Now, right now I'm in something called fly mode, which turns gravity off. But say I want to come up and see this, I can then turn gravity on, and look at that, I'm walking through. I'm sorry if you guys see a little bit of lag. This video recording software is a little bit taxing on my computer, but you guys can see we can walk through here and look at things in great detail. You know, from texture to light, I can change the time of day. I can even go in and go into some settings here. We'll pull those up, and I can check this box on, and look what that does for us. We can now see heat gain over time and what that's doing to our front facade, which is a fancy word for front elevation or front wall. And as the day goes on, you can see a little time in the corner. In the morning, it's cool. The day obviously heats up, but you can see just what parts of your building are gaining heat. So this roof is doing a pretty decent job at cooling the space. It's really cool for us to see and visualize. I can turn materials on and off. But long story short, the best part of all of this is that I get to walk through, and I can do this while in conjunction with a plan. So let's say I move something. This is our kitchen. So we're going to go in here, and it auto updates with whatever I do. So let's say I want to, for whatever reason, move this stove out. I don't really want to, but you can see it updates over here in the walkthrough, which is amazing. If I undo that, over here, it goes back. And so this is really helpful for us to say, well, let's make a quick change and see how this would look. It helps when I meet with clients and how they perceive and understand this space. So you really get an idea what you're going for, and this is how we start selling architecture as a product again, not just as a service, but as, you know, when you go buy a product, you see what you're getting and you trust it because there's that full description and you know exactly what you're going to get. With an architect, you're putting your trust into a person. I'd rather put my trust in a product that I know what I'm getting rather than the quality of the person, because you don't know them. So this is how we prove to you we really know what we're talking about. For more information, you can look up our guides on the website. But I hope you guys enjoy that, and more links to come. Thanks.